This 2026 Jayco Jay Flight SLX 261 BHS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Dover, Florida, 33527 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Tampa. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 30 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8, Slideout, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.